as you know, OPPO launched the OPPO Watch yesterday. They've also announced the OPPO Band, and they've launched a K9X Smart TV. I'm not interested in the Smart TV, I just want to talk about the Band. The Band has 1.7-inch AMOLED screen with battery life claims up to 14 days and more than 100 sports mode. It comes in NFC and non-NFC versions, and the maximum brightness is up to 500 nits. Design wise, the Smart Band looks quite premium. It has a squircle build with no buttons on either side. It is up to 10.6mm thick and weighs only 33 grams. It supports up to 200 band faces, including custom multi-function faces. It comes with built-in AI Wear Dial 2.0, which enables users to match their band face with their outfit. It supports more than 100 sports modes, including racing, workout, swimming, and more. The highly demanded esports mode has also been added to the band. It's powered with the Apollo 3.5 processors paired with 8 MB RAM and 128 Nand storage. It comes with a 200 mAh built-in battery. It supports magnetic fast charging. It has 24/7 heart rate monitor, sleep tracking. It is 580 waterproof. There is also an NFC variant, but that will only support Alipay and WeChat dual payment and can be used for payment with a mobile phone. It will not support Google Pay or any other OPPO Pay. So the standard version is priced at 249 yuan and the NFC version is priced at 279 yuan, and it's mainly meant for China first, and then they will launch it worldwide, maybe as a OnePlus or Realme band. So like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.